Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to repair a golf cart. We'll start by identifying common issues, such as battery problems or motor malfunctions. Always begin by checking the battery voltage with a multimeter to ensure it has a proper charge. Next, inspect all cable connections for any signs of corrosion or looseness. Finally, listen carefully for any unusual noises, which can often help pinpoint potential mechanical failures. These initial steps are crucial for effective troubleshooting. Now, let's dive into the battery system. It's important to test each battery individually to ensure consistent voltage readings across the entire pack. Make sure to clean battery terminals thoroughly using a wire brush and a baking soda solution to remove any corrosion. For flooded lead-acid batteries, always ensure proper water levels are maintained. If any batteries are weak or failing, replace them to maintain optimal power and extend your cart's range. Moving on to the motor and controller, begin by inspecting the motor for any visible damage or signs of overheating. Next, test the controller to ensure it's providing proper power output and maintaining signal integrity. A healthy solenoid should produce a distinct clicking sound when activated. Finally, carefully examine all wiring harnesses for any breaks, frayed wires, or potential short circuits, as these can cause significant operational issues. Finally, let's cover essential brake and steering maintenance. Adjust brake cables to ensure proper tension and reliable stopping power. Inspect brake shoes or pads for wear and replace them if necessary to maintain safety. Lubricate all steering components for smooth and responsive handling. Don't forget to check your tire pressure. It should typically be between 15 and 25 psi for optimal performance and a comfortable ride. Regular checks keep your cart safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.